Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use your gifs as your wallpapers. So yeah, let's just find the wallpaper. You're gonna need to install an app to do this. So yeah, let's just find the wallpaper. God damn it. So yeah, this is the wallpaper that we want to use. As you can see, it's right there. I think it's right over here, my device. Downloads. Yeah, there it is. Giphy.gif. That's what we want to use now. We want to download this app. So just download it. It's called Blue Wall. Here it is. GIF as wallpaper. As a live wallpaper. GIF as wallpaper. Now what you're gonna do is install that. Hopefully we still have enough space for that. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait for it to go faster, I guess. Okay, it's installing now. I'm just gonna Okay, so it's done installing. Now let's open the app. It's loading. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's loading still. Now, if you want, you can use all these other GIFs with these animation, nature, urban, abstract, whatever you can use. GIFs, but what you're gonna do is click on my GIFs right there at the bottom. Here at the bottom. Allow. That's up. Then it's loading. Please, let's just wait. It takes a while to load, so you have to be patient. Okay, there it is. So this is what we want to use. Downloads. And then let's press this. Then press done. There you want. There you go, that's good. Preview image. Okay, now let's edit it. There we go, let's make it that big. And the background color black. Let's just edit. There you go. Now, let's see what it looks like. Then let's just drag this to the center. But there you go. Set as wallpaper. That's what it looks like. Now let's go back to the home, and boom, there it is. It's your live wallpaper, whatever you like to call it, I guess. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it. If you want, you can use even more GIFs, but that's what I'm just gonna use. So yeah, hope you guys found this helpful, and subscribe and like. Bye.